Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Forefront. As a parent, I think a lot about, hey, so much of education in America in the middle class, upper class is all about what college, how do you get them there, and honestly, like,
What the f are you doing, stupid idiot?
What are you doing?
Science section images of brains that are being studied. Now, for some context here, the four people, or tribe, are located in the and for a very long time, people consumed their dead as a way to release their spirit and help them transition to the other side. This would turn out to be a
Alhamdulillah. Back off, brother. Back off, bro.
why are you breaking? Your problem.
I don't know. But what happened? Why won't you tell me? Why is everyone?
I thought something was happening.
Bro, what are you doing? Oh my God, what's happening? Like, bro. Video lock. Dude, oh my God, why is everyone trying to kill me right now? What the actual freak, bro?
Oh my gosh. Save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. what you doing, man?
Please say a command.
Oh, shit! Oh. Oh, shit.
Sync will attempt to call 911.
Leaving the bar, it might have been the best night of the fucking tour. We had so much fun. Verzi actually said, like, he was sitting there because he wasn't even drinking. He was going like, I actually was enjoying you and Bartnick play where you get your bunion there. You know, if you get hammer toes, stop. Hammer toes, do. If you get hammer toes, right? That part that's stop.
The classic. Oh, and there she goes.
Like, I just want to ask her out and get rid of the tension. Either she says yes or she says no. I really don't give a at this moment. It's your state capital. It was just a really, really cool town. And I had
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.